Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share something I purchased from Amazon for one of my Louis Vuitton bags. So if you're here to see what Miss Tamika got off of Amazon, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. Go ahead, jump straight into this here Amazon haul. If y'all don't know, I did switch out my bag. I was wearing the, what bag was that? I was wearing one of my birthday bags, y'all, exact name. But I was wearing one of my birthday bags, and I was just like, I want to switch out. And now I had a particular item in my cart on Amazon, and I pulled the trigger and purchased this particular item. So I was like, okay, turn on my camera and share with you all, because that's what I do here on this channel. So take it out the box, and I have it actually on my bag. So it's by this here brand. I don't know, but it's by this particular brand. And I will try to remember to leave this link down in my Amazon store. So just browse through my store and just see where I put it at. I probably will put it under handbag accessories. And if it is, it may just be this only item, because I don't buy a lot of handbag accessories off of Amazon. So yeah, I will link this down below in my Amazon store. Ended up getting this here cream key fob, and it has like the little bling up here at the top. It's not as fancy as my pink key fob, but I just wanted to switch it up. And I will also link this down below. I think all you have to do in the Amazon search bar, you put in your particular card and different key fobs will come up. But if you have a key fob like myself, then you can get what Miss Tamika have. So yeah, so what I ended up purchasing, like I said, I already unboxed this particular item. I ended up getting this here strap, y'all. I think this is the I'm not sure, the, let me see, 12-inch. And when I first got it, I was like, it looks kind of short. I was looking at reviews. I seen people like hanging it on like a door to like loosen it some. And I also went back on Amazon to see if they had something just a little longer, but I didn't see anything. All I saw was the 12-inch. So I was just like, and then when I was looking, I started looking at reviews, and then like hanging it on the door handles or whatever. I don't know if they were doing that to like loosen this up some. So I was like, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I ended up hanging it on my door, and I'm not sure if that would help. It's a little short, but it's not that short where I'll return it. To fit under my arms. It's not like up under my arms like my artsy used to be, where it's touching the deodorant, and I will show you. There is the original strap that came with the bag. Now this strap, the only thing about this strap I don't like is the fact that you cannot push this down, because without pushing this down, this hair is just all over the place. I wish that you could have adjust this to where as though it could be made for a shoulder bag. Like, I wish this strap, you could do a lot more with this. If I take it to someone like a leather store, they can maybe poke holes in it and make it short for me, because this do not look like a strap. It just looks like, it looks like a Louis Vuitton belt. Like, it's not giving me strap vibes, it's giving me a Louis Vuitton belt. That's what this looks like it has a belt. And I'm gonna show you. It looks like a belt. See how they look? Like, you could wear this as the belt, y'all. I wish they would have done this strap a lot better on this particular bag, because y'all, when I tell you I love this bag, the strap. So that's why I ended up ordering this one, because with this particular bag, I like how it looks when you carry it, you know, as a shoulder bag. I like that the gold is like dead on far as the color. Same Louis Vuitton hooks, so you just attach it like so. And I will say the little hooks are made really well. Strap, of course, it's not a Louis Vuitton strap, but the strap don't make the bag look cheap. to me. Strap, it don't take away from the bag. It would have been just a little longer, but like the strap stretching or whatever, I don't know if it's going to like loosen up some, because again, it is brand new. Of the artsy strap, remember how it was really stiff, and within time it started to loosen up. Here is the Louis Vuitton Odeon PM, and like I said, this here do come in 2 sizes. This is the PM, and it also comes in the MM size, the MM, because I felt like that would be way too big for my particular body shape with the PM. And I will say this here particular bag do hold a lot, and I will show you what I have in this here bag. Costco, so I do have my Costco receipts, tissues that I took. Out of this bag is like all black. It would have been nice if the inside was lighter. You can kind of like see in the bag, but again, it don't bother me because, you know, I don't think I can prop the bag up where as though you can see the bag. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show you what's in the bag before I do like before I do my shots. On the top part, you do have 2 zipper pulls, zipper to the middle of the bag and have the zippers meet. Or you can just pull one zipper to one side, or you can pull the zipper to the other side, depending on your mood. I usually keep the zippers like this in the middle. Pulls are like really good quality. They're not like cheap feeling, I will say. Pull things out. I do have a Gucci card case. I did pull this out because of course it's summertime and I wanted something, and I wanted to pop a color in my bag. A total of 2 slots here, 2 slots here, and then I have a slot here. This is where I keep Costco card, Sam card, my Sam's Club card, and BJ's, and what else? And I think that's it. So all my member cards are inside of here. Glasses, I just throw these on when I don't want to put on makeup. My daughter's appointment card for her braces, because she do have braces. I have a Dior lip gloss. This here is in the color 002. It's just like a clear gloss. Favorite lip balm that I got from Target. And bought this expensive ass hand cream. Yes, this hand cream is very, very expensive, but I do work at Sephora, so I didn't have to pay full price, which is a good thing. But this lotion right here, I think this costs a little more than the Chanel lotion. I think. I have my gum. I got this from Lidl's a while ago. It holds mints, so what I did was I dumped the strawberry mints and put my gum in here, because working at Sephora places, I like to have my breath smelling good, if you know what I mean. AirPods, I did upgrade my AirPods to the newest version, so I do need to get a case, because I have my blotting sheets, y'all. When I tell you these things here, Chanel blotting sheets are my favorite. Hot here in Georgia, these things come in handy. Do you hear me? They come in handy. I love these here little blotting sheets. And you may think, oh, I don't need no blotting sheets, I can just wipe it off with a tissue. You can, but the tissue disturbs your makeup. With this, it don't. You just blot it and it just like kind of like takes the shine away, because I am combination. Can't go nowhere without these. Like my favorite. So I have my Kilian perfume. I got this, and I do carry this around because I like to smell good. And I pulled out one of my Louis Vuitton wallets. I was using like that bulkier wallet. Pack wallet was a little bigger because you could hold bills in that particular wallet. So I was like, I'm gonna need to downsize a little smaller. So I pulled this out. And this is just where I hold all my cards, medical cards, and whatever else kind of cards, like rewards cards and things like that. I do have like a key hook, but y'all know I just tuck that inside of here, and I just use it as a wallet in the back, and that's where I hold my Target card. Then last but not least, you all, my little Prada pouch, perfect size for a catch-all for this particular bag, because I have little pouches but none of them are this small. Like this is like I said, it's the perfect size, because the only thing I have in here right now, lipstick. Like I said, I like to carry things that we don't carry at Sephora, as lip balm, my medicine. I think this is Tylenol, and yeah, just Tylenol. I have Motrin and I have children's Tylenol, because if my headache is not that bad, I'll just take a children's Tylenol. I have like the chewables, infamous Chanel mirror. Yo, when I tell you I love this mirror, I do wish I would have gotten the light pink mirror, but of course I missed out. And it's crazy, this is a very small pouch, but it do have a small zipper pocket. What I'm thinking of doing is maybe putting like $20 in here just in case of an emergency or whatever, because I don't carry cash, but I know sometimes it's good to carry cash every so often. And so you do have a patch pocket. It's not a zipper pocket, but it's just a regular patch pocket. Nail card in here. What I have in here? Louis Vuitton bag information. And I have this here screwdriver to go along with my key fob, just in case of an emergency that I have to, like, aka break the seal or whatever. So I'll have my own screwdriver this time. I should be fine because I did just place the battery, but again, you just never know. So yeah, inside of the bag you do get a patch pocket here, and to keep my iPhone. I do have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so this is where I keep that in the front. And it has like a magnetic closure in the front, because I'm always grabbing my cell phone. I like to take pictures, videos, and things when I'm out. What I'm going to do is I am going to put everything back in this particular bag so y'all can see. Looks with the strap. Just show you, here's everything packed in the inside of this here particular bag. So I will zipper her. Saying with this here strap, you do have room, like it's not directly under my arm area, so I don't have to worry about deodorant touching it. I do feel like maybe within time this will stretch a little, like I said, like my artsy, because when I first got the artsy, it was like really stiff and it was like all up in here. But of course I had it for years. It had sagged down some, and didn't get like on a door, you know, to like really weigh it down. So stuff is heavy in here. So with the stuff being heavy in here, it's not heavy to where as though it's uncomfortable on my shoulder. I will say that, like the stuff in here, I may have to put something like really heavy in here to like weigh the handle down, because it's not, I don't think it's heavy enough. Like the bag like this. And then if you also have other Louis Vuittons, you can attach this as well. You can also carry it like so. And then you can also carry it like on the side, you know, like on the side of you. At a time I probably would carry it like this. Like this bag is meant to wear as a shoulder bag and a crossbody. Like I love this bag as a shoulder bag. I don't know why, but I will show you really quick how it looks with the other strap. So this may be too much to keep on, but I'm gonna just keep it on just to show you. So this is how I would carry it. Like if I'm shopping and I want to be hands-free, I would carry it like this. This is more so if I'm going, I don't know, maybe outlet shopping or to the mall. I don't know, but yeah, I would carry it like this. Just toss it to the back for whatever reason. This bag would have came with its own short strap, but I will say I am pleased with the one I got off of Amazon. Like I said, the quality is there. It do not feel cheap. It feels nice, and it fits the bag perfectly. Strap in other colors, but of course I ended up with the black because the hardware is black and the sides are black. So that's why of course I had to get the black, because no other color would have looked right. I got the strap yesterday. So carrying this bag to work, I probably would just keep the short strap on here. Because like I said, I don't know. I'm not a fan of this here crossbody strap, because it just looks like a belt. Like a man's belt. I don't feel like this is not giving me bag strap. I don't know. But I do like my new strap. So let me know what y'all think about Miss Tamika's new bag strap. And if y'all have this particular strap, let me know if this strap like loosen up within time. Like, buying this strap made me just fall in love with this bag all over again. Like, I just purchased this bag, and I think I had this bag longer than my other two bags, but again, it just made me love this bag so much more. Hopefully the hardware stay as nice as it is. So hope y'all enjoyed this hair video on this hair bag strap. I give it a 10 out of 10. Quality is there, the weight is there, it feels really nice, it fits the look of the Louis Vuitton. And yes, I highly recommend this here particular strap. If you don't have this bag, I highly recommend the strap. Like I said, it do come in other colors. I will link it down below in my Amazon storefront. So make sure you go and click on Tamika's storefront. And with that being said, you all, if you enjoyed this here video, please give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.